My pleasure.
Introducing PauseCam, the wearable camera for your furry loved one. Never miss another precious moment and see what they're up to when you're not home. PauseCam records 6-second highlights when it detects unique and interesting movement from your dog, so you're certain to capture their best moments that you'll be excited to share with your friends on social media. In the app, scroll, play, save, and share your dog's best clips. PauseCam is the perfect camera for every dog lover. Don't miss another precious moment.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Ashi and I'm a lactation consultant. Today I'm going to be sharing my new favorite product called the LaVie Lactation Massager, which is literally a lifesaver if you're breastfeeding or pumping. It's easy to hold, has multiple vibration modes, and is 100% waterproof, which means you could use it in the shower. What I love about this product is its unique shape. It has 3 different sides, which help you solve a bunch of different breastfeeding problems. The smooth backside can be used to help soften the breast and stimulate letdown. The rounded edge can be used to dig into plugged ducts and help break them up. And the sides can be used to help move fluid and express milk. Whether you're in the beginning, middle, or end of your breastfeeding journey, this is a wonderful tool to have on hand.